Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you are done with it, open up your App Store. In the search box, type in GTA San Andreas and search. The GTA San Andreas is an action-adventure game developed by Rockstar North and published by Rockstar Games. Once the application is displayed in the search result, you'll need to tap on the amount displayed right underneath the game. In order to get the app downloaded, you must pay $6.99 for now, since it is not a free game and it is not available to everyone. Once you tap on the button, you'll need to go ahead and enter a payment method if you have not yet. Tap the continue button and enter your payment information on the next page. Enter a debit or a credit card information, its number, expiry date, security code, and finally tap on done at the top right hand corner. After you complete your payment, you'll be able to get the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas application right on your iPhone. That is how you can easily get GTA San Andreas on iPhone after paying for the game. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.